The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall skilla. Boy, I'm telling you. Yeah. If it's trouble again, you can't cockroach. You're running wild. All on the freaking gear stick by. All on the set. Right? Yeah, go on.
You mean to tell me that someone couldn't clean inside of that police service vehicle? Eh? I can't help but wonder if police officers really and truly use that police service vehicle in such a condition. Anyways, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I'm here again. I just presented to you a video that had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video shows inside of a police service vehicle from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. And in my point of view, inside of the police service vehicle looks messy, unclean. You can see insects in the video, viewers and subscribers, alright? Yeah, you can let me know what to think about that video, and I have more videos that I'm going to present to you. But before I present another video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I am going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos that have been recorded somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. These videos are about an incident where it is said that a man badly damaged a Christopher Columbus statue that is located somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. The incident happened sometime within the month of October the year 2021. The man had been arrested by the police within the Bahamas for damaging government property. There might be more information about the person's arrest, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about these videos. Now, one of these videos shows the person using a sledgehammer to damage the statue, and one of these videos shows the person in handcuffs and police officers at the scene of the incident. So before I present these videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hey bro, make sure that don't fall on you, bro. Like a heavy thing. Piece of history. Piece of history gone ain't there. It's low. That's right, boy! We taking this back! That's right! Ice Michael the Archangel! And I come to tell you, we go... That's right! That's right, boy! Be back! Be back! That's who my single dream of.
My name in the Bible, bro.
Get him too.
Look at the lion of Dawson met Mutarad. You all niggas see him, no?
This nigga fucking break up the whole thing.
Oh, you also deep in the book of Revelation. You all let me tell you what chapter you all at? Oh, I mean, why? Oh! I get you said people. Columbus Kuwashi never come here. Oh! Saudi! Saudi! I doing this for my country. Oh, you only know what type of nigga is when I in love. Oh, I love my country. Oh, I get you said Saudi.
Coming up.
Trust me, I love her, boy. I love her so much, you'll get me locked up.
You get this, babe?
What? Well, you only know how much I love you all. Oh!
Send us to my phone right here.
You in the street, you want some more? You all want no more? Listen to me. 6 proton, 6 neutron, 6 electron. That's 666. New Orleans to children is 666. Go on Facebook and go on everything.
You got my number, right? Alright, this the boy phone. I can answer. Yeah, Jermaine now.
Let's go on getting awakening. If
Yeah,
you
let's go,
want
buddy.
awakening the time, you're all in trouble. Where I live on the streets.
We're in the street.
Everywhere. That's my home. Everywhere. The whole Bahamas is my home. What you mean? I come to fight for y'all. See, you already know what's going on, so in case one of y'all try to shoot me, I can make sure I live.
Yeah, he had that on when I called you, boy.
With y'all, you know.
Yeah, he had that on, you see.
I play ball with y'all. I chill with y'all. But listen to me. Listen to me. Trevino Sims is my cousin.
Yes, the nigga get fired now.
The Antoine Cooper is my boy. Camacho is my boy. I grew up with
That's the
this
Babylon
nigga
dress?
on your side, boy. The only thing is I ain't got no uniform. Listen to me. You all ain't know it coming. If you all know it was coming,
That's the Babylon dress, eh?
you all are literally. What? You all are people.
But I tell you, I watch him as waking over there. I watch him swinging, so I call the friends first, niggas.
I died of bleeding. I died of looking crazy.
That's Andre one.
Did really tell me? This is the last time I'm gonna look crazy, boss.
He must see jump the fence, boy. See, they saying so, because I waking over there, and then when I look, I see him swinging, so I call the defense force, boy. This was Don, yeah. See, I didn't notice him.
The kingdom of heaven with
And here, everybody's waking using tools.
How much of y'all getting on from Damon in the night? How much of y'all getting on from Damon in the night? Plenty of y'all
But
getting
this
on
nigga
from
had
Damon.
this down,
Y'all
you
know
know.
why? Because your soul connects from your heart to your consciousness to your third eye, which is your pineal gland. The demon's so strong, they trying to snatch your soul out of your body. When you take that.
Alright, so in my point of view, and according to some information that I got, allegedly it is said that the man did not like what the statue stand for, and that might be the reason why the man damaged the statue. Now, that whole situation have me thinking about the history of Christopher Columbus, you see? Now, when I hear people talk about Christopher Columbus, some of those persons will talk about Christopher Columbus discovering here or discovering there. And some persons will say some things that gave me the understanding that they are saying that Christopher Columbus is a bad person. You see me? So, I want to ask you one question. What do you think about the person who goes by the name of Christopher Columbus? I'm talking about Christopher Columbus, who you can read about in history books and all these things. You see me? What do you think about Christopher Columbus? Alright? Let me know in the comment section. See? Alright, so next topic. Now let me give you some information about the incident where it is said that a person who goes by the name of Christopher Linton, aka Dark Pa, had been shot and killed by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. The incident happened on the 11th of October the year 2021, and it is said that the police recovered a gun at the scene of the incident. According to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that police officers who were acting on information that they got was at a location that is near a place that is known as Elitson Flats. That's within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country of Jamaica. And it is said that the police signaled a motor vehicle to stop. And it is said that the motor vehicle stopped. It is said that the motor vehicle was occupied by a female and the person who goes by the name of Dark Pa. It is said that the police told the persons who was in the motor vehicle to come out of the motor vehicle, and it is said that the female complied with the police request. It is said that Dark Pa alighted from the motor vehicle and opened fire at the police, and it is said that the police returned fire and Dark Pa had been shot and killed. It is said that the female had been detained by the police within the country of Jamaica for questioning, and according to some more things that I read in the news article that I saw, it is said that the police said that Dark Pa has been implicated in several murders and shootings since he was released from prison in April year 2021. Now, according to some more things that I read in another news article, I got the understanding that Dark Pa's baby mother, who goes by the name of Leah Tavares Finson, made a post on her Instagram stories saying, "I will miss you, Papa Bear, my Dark Pa. Watch over us the right way now." Leah Tavares Finson is said to be the daughter of attorney at law and president of the Senate, Tom Tavares Finson. According to the news article that I read, I got the understanding that Dogpa and the female who goes by the name of Leah Tavares Finson share a child together. Or, you could say that them have a child together. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, big up and respect to each and every one. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.